Lithium, a highly sought-after metal, has become a critical component in the manufacturing of lithium-ion batteries that power our laptops, smartphones, and electric vehicles. As the demand for lithium continues to rise, so does the demand for its extraction. However, the process of lithium extraction comes with a dark truth that often goes untold. In this video, we will delve into the world of lithium extraction, exposing the environmental and social impacts of this industry. To understand the dark truth about lithium extraction, we must first understand where it comes from. Lithium is primarily extracted from two sources, brines and hard rock. Brines are underground reservoirs of salt water that contain dissolved lithium, while hard rock is mined from rock formations that contain lithium-bearing minerals. The most common method of extracting lithium from brines is through evaporation. This process involves pumping brine into large evaporation ponds, where the sun's heat evaporates the water, leaving behind lithium and other minerals. While this method is relatively low cost, it can take up to 2 years to produce lithium from brines, and the process can have significant environmental impacts. Lithium extraction is that it can have a severe impact on water resources. The extraction of lithium from brines requires a large amount of water, which is often sourced from freshwater sources. The process of evaporation can also lead to the depletion of local water resources, as it takes up to 500,000 gallons of water to produce 1 ton of lithium. In addition, the use of evaporation ponds can lead to the contamination of groundwater and soil with toxic chemicals used in the extraction process, such as chlorine and sulfuric acid. The extraction of lithium from hard rock is a more complex and expensive process. It involves drilling and blasting to extract the lithium-bearing minerals from the rock, followed by a chemical process to extract the lithium. This method can produce high-grade lithium, but it also has significant environmental impacts. Lithium extraction is that it can lead to deforestation and habitat destruction. Hard rock lithium mining often takes place in remote and ecologically sensitive areas, such as the Atacama Desert in Chile and the Lithium Triangle in Argentina, Bolivia, and Chile. Mining in these areas can lead to the destruction of natural habitats and the displacement of local communities. In addition, the use of heavy machinery and the excavation of large areas of land can lead to soil erosion and sedimentation, which can have significant impacts on local waterways. Lithium extraction is that it can have significant social impacts. The communities living in areas where lithium is extracted are often some of the most marginalized and vulnerable. Mining operations can lead to the displacement of communities, loss of traditional land and livelihoods, and exposure to toxic chemicals. In addition, mining companies have been accused of violating human rights, including the use of forced labor and the suppression of protests. Lithium extraction is that it can have a significant carbon footprint. The production of lithium-ion batteries requires a significant amount of energy, and much of that energy comes from fossil fuels. The extraction, transportation, and processing of lithium all require energy, and the manufacturing of batteries also requires a significant amount of energy. While electric vehicles are more energy efficient than gasoline-powered vehicles, the production of lithium-ion batteries still produces a significant amount of greenhouse gas emissions. Despite the dark truths about lithium extraction, the demand for lithium continues to rise. As the world transitions to a low-carbon economy, the demand for electric vehicles and renewable energy storage systems is expected to grow exponentially. While lithium-ion batteries offer many benefits, including reducing greenhouse gas emissions and increasing energy efficiency, we must also be aware of the environmental and social impacts of their production. Thanks for watching. Save and subscribe to the channel for more videos.